Hey guys, a rose is still a rose, isn't it? Yes, you guessed it. I'm back with another design, and this time it is a rose. Yes, we got a red rose going on, and it is actually being embroidered on navy blue. This is only a one color design, so it's easy. Just make sure that your bobbin is full, and you have enough thread to complete the design on the top. And I don't think I need to tell you where I got this from because you know the only place I go is to Zdigitizing.com. Yes, this is another well-made design from Zdigitizing.com. Excellent customer service, beautiful designs. Oh my gosh, you just have to go over there and just, scope them out. See what you can find. What's in your taste. I'm sure they have something that you like. But before you go, check out my link in the description box because the secret is copy and paste in your browser. It'll take you over there, and when you place your order, you're going to get 50% off of your first order. Isn't that wonderful? I think it is. I think that's a pretty good deal. So order as much as you want, buy as much as you want, get your items digitized or vectored because they do both. So go ahead and check them out. Zdigitizing.com, and yeah, just tell them Rochelle sent you. They'll know by the link anyway. So this is a promotional video. Yes, it is. And should you make an order, I would receive a commission. I just have to tell you that. So moving right along, as you can see, the rose is coming together. I think it's quite beautiful. And you can think outside of the box really with this one, because you could put this in a pink, a solid pink rose, or even a yellow rose, which I may demonstrate later on in another video. But I think it's quite pretty. It is very detailed. And yeah. So as you can see, we are getting, through this pretty quickly. This is going to be over before you know it. And then we'll take a look at it and we'll clean it up as usual and let you see the finished product. So let's just watch for a minute while this goes through. Just for your information, this file actually embroiders out into about 3 inches by 3 inches. So it's really neat. You can put it on a cosmetic bag. You can put it on something for Mother's Day or even for a birthday or an anniversary. Yes, who doesn't love roses? So just use your creativity. You could add things like glitter or gems, other gems to this, in between of the petals to give it a little sparkle, and that would be great too. Or if you're really adventurous, you could just go ahead and embroider this on top of a printed fabric, which would be all right as well. Probably it would be nice on something that has like maybe a white background with green leaves, and then you just embroider the rose on top of it. That would come out pretty nice. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and drop some comments in the chat box. If you're on with me in the premiere, or if you're watching this on the replay, thank you so much. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. If this is your first time here, I want to welcome you in to my embroidery projects that are ongoing. Go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss when I demonstrate future designs from Zdigitizing.com. They have excellent customer service. If you ever have a problem, just contact their customer service team and they will work with you. Payments are easy and secure as well, so you don't need to worry about that. So just go on over and see what you can do. If you need a file, just give them the instructions. Oh, all of that information will be in the description below for you, but just give them your instructions on what you want done with your vector or with your embroidery file, and they'll go ahead and take care of that for you. So it looks like I'm finishing up here. Yes, we got to the end of it. I'm removing it from the hoop from the machine. I had a little technical difficulty, so yes, the machine told me it was finished. And then, yep. So now I'm cleaning it up. Yep. You feel like a surgeon when you're doing this. There's so many little pieces, but that's okay because in the end, it makes for a better presentation of your finished product. So I'm just cleaning this up, and I think it's looking lovely. So I'm just getting rid of the excess threads that went from one side to the other during the embroidery process. And then once I've got that done, we'll go ahead and take a look at the finished product. So yes, another Zdigitizing.com design that came out very lovely, no problems. Actually, this product, this design is on a polyester blend. It does have a tearaway backing on the back to support it, and it came out excellent. I cannot say enough for this. So sometimes you have to experiment and see, you know, what works out, or sometimes you want to know, how will it do? Yes, and here I am with my little lint remover that helps to pick up the extra little threads that might be left behind on the project. That's just another little tip for you. Something you can do if you can't pick up those little pieces of thread. Just get the lint remover and just roll it across there. It'll pick it up for you. No worries at all. So I'm just finishing up here, and then I'll give it another little roll, and then, you know, we'll be ready to go ahead and show you the finished product. Yes, there you go. Just picking up those few threads. Any questions? Go ahead and just drop them in the box or put them in the comments. I will respond to you. Okay, I think I'm all finished now. Yes, don't you agree? Didn't that make a difference in the way this looks in the end? Isn't it beautiful? I love it. Thank you for coming. Don't be a stranger. See you in the next video. Have a fantastic day. A rose is still a